Did you see that? Did you see that? Did you see that? It's a beautiful brook trout. Oh, wow, check out the colors on this beauty. Oh, what a catch. Okay, new spot. It's absolutely stunning out here today. Let's see if this hole is luckier. Oh. Oh, oh wow, we got him. Look at that bend. Come on, buddy. Oh my God, yes. What a beauty. Finally got the brown trout. Look how vibrant these colors are against the snow. Two beautiful fish. Look at this beauty, another nice one for the day. And that makes 10 for the day. Not bad for golden hour. we're just gonna gently lay the fish away from us. See how the skin crisps up immediately? A little coarse salt finishes it off. Look at that perfect golden brown crust. This is exactly what you want when you're frying a whole fish out here. Listen to that sizzle. I'm just making sure these are cooking evenly. These lake trout are gonna be perfect. Look at that golden color. Freshly caught trout, perfectly cooked right here by the fire. Who's hungry? Look at that steam. It smells incredible.
This is absolutely delicious. Catching it myself makes it taste even better.
Good morning, everyone. Wow, that stretch felt amazing. It is absolutely stunning out here. Okay, that's the tent packed up. This thing is so heavy, but we are ready for the trail now. One last look at the lake before we head out. It's been an unforgettable trip.